Big old box of clothes. Big old box of clothes. Hi guys, my name's Andrea and welcome to BarbiePunk. I was supposed to go meet with my friends today to have our gift exchange, but it's too floody and we're not doing it, so luckily that gives me a chance to make a video for you guys. So, this year for Christmas, excuse my outfit, my best friend and I bought matching shirts and we were gonna just show up like this and be like, what? I can't believe we showed up in the exact same outfit. It's a thing. Anyway, so this year for Christmas, we were trying to decide whether or not we wanted to do presents for each other. We had decided maybe no presents. And then I was like, but I'm gonna bring you guys like a big giant box of my clothes so that you can pick out what you want. And then we're like, actually, that's an excellent idea. What if we did like a hand-me-down Christmas this year? So if you are looking for a more eco-friendly way to do things with your friends, maybe you could do this. Basically, all the presents that we are giving each other this year are things that we already have in our houses. I'm doing clothes because we know that I have an overabundance of clothes. So went through my closet, picked out things that I think would work for each of my friends, and that's what I'm gonna show you today. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show you them actually opening them, because I don't know when we're actually gonna meet up anymore. But if you're interested in seeing them opening them, let me know in the comments and I will try to get that for you in a later video. I'm actually gonna be able to give them a lot more stuff this year than if I had to like buy it. And a lot of this stuff, because of, you know, the way that I have to do YouTube, a lot of this stuff is like barely worn or like worn for a try on and or like a picture and like that's it. So I'm gonna try to organize this. So let's start with accessories. I'm gonna give them all a pair of socks. This one is gonna go to Lindsay. It is just like a pair of like black fishnet socks. My sky socks are gonna go to Monica, and these like redonkulous rainbow fishnets are gonna go to Alex. I also packed them up with some accessories. Each of them is gonna get a glitter because I bought like a giant packet of glitter on Amazon for something, and so each of them is getting one. It's like iridescent purple for Lindsay, blue for Monica, green for Alex. Take a look at some of these accessories here. We got this like cage top thing. We have a little like simple choker, and those are going to Lindsay. Actually, let's just do the rest of Lindsay right now. So for Lindsay, Lindsay is not a skirt person. Lindsay is very much a cool pants person, cool jacket person. So that is what I tried to do with this. She also likes to go to a lot of like festivals and stuff, so that's why I went with like the cage thing. It's definitely something that she would wear. I went with 2 pairs of cool pants. This one is from Hot Topic, and it is like galaxy print. I feel like Lindsay will really enjoy these galaxy print ones. I don't know if they're gonna fit her actually. Now that I'm thinking about it, not like waist-wise, but like length-wise, she's a lot taller than me. Maybe she can like chop these up into shorts or something. I don't know. These ones might be short on her. However, these ones, the reason I'm giving these away is they're just too long on me. They're so freaking long on me. So this is a pair of black and white pants from Killstar. They're really cool, but they're like so long on me that it's like problematic. I did like an outfit video in one of these and like they were just dragging on the floor. One big problem with doing this is that like all of my friends are different sizes. Luckily I've been several different sizes throughout the years, so I have like things that should possibly fit them. When Lindsay does do a dress though, I feel like it is this shape. Which is like not a very me shape, but it's a very Lindsay shape. So hopefully she enjoys this. And finally, the coolest thing I'm gonna give her, at least in my head, is this jacket. Lindsay is a fan of like old lady jackets, like really gaudy old lady jackets, as am I, which is why I bought this, but is a little tight on me. Like, it's a little uncomfortable on me, and so I think that it would fit her well. It has a very like old lady, but also like cool aesthetic. I don't know how to explain it, but like I feel like this fits the vibes. Also, she likes to wear pearl necklaces while grading papers, and like this is covered in pearls. So next up we have Alex. Alex was a little bit more difficult for me to find clothing for because Alex is non-binary and a lot of my clothes are very femme, as we know. So this is what I've chosen. I went with, first off, I got a couple vests that my husband was gonna give away. This one is from H&M. Alex is a very vest person, so we have two of those. This one's just a plain black vest. Perry Ellis. Cool, cool. I don't know if this one will fit, but Alex is a Slytherin. I'm gonna pass down this black milk. Like button-down shirt. It has a dark mark all over it. It's very stretchy, so could fit, I hope. If not, Alex could do something with the fabric of it, you know? Perhaps. And then I think, I always save the coolest thing for last. The coolest thing that I'm giving Alex is this. It's just mostly vests. Oh well. This Punk Rave vest. I really like this, but it never was the right like proportions on me. Like, it just hangs too low on me. Even when I like had this all the way up, it just like didn't hang correctly on me. So hopefully Alex will enjoy this. But Punk Rave is like one of the brands that we like both really like. Has a lot of pockets on it. I did do this in a haul and it looks really cool. Has all sorts of like pockets and like belts and buckles and stuff. I never ended up wearing it because again, it just like didn't sit right on my body. Oh, and accessories for Alex. Also pretty cool. I got these glasses in a 2-pack. Flame glasses, so Alex gets one of those. And then this ridiculous nonsense is a choker from Bibian Blue. And it's very cool and very Alex, and I just have not found a reason to wear it in the like 2 years that I've had it, so it's being passed on. And finally, we have Monica. We all like intersect at like black gothy witch stuff, but then like each of them has like a different sort of vibe going on. And Monica's is very like boho, so I gave her this little like wraparound necklace with some feathers on it. And then she loves cats, so this little like bell choker and like a simple like black velvet one. I actually had to like really quickly film in this today because I ordered this for my Pokemon video and then I like kept it for too long to return it, and I know that this is stuff that Monica would wear. So it's these like green stretchy like bell-bottom pants and like this like psychedelic green print, and then this purple and green butterfly top. We literally went shopping the other day and she like almost bought a butterfly dress. I almost had to be like, no, don't do that. For no reason whatsoever, do not buy that. And I'm giving her this long sleeve leopard print dress. I just don't wear long sleeves a lot. I feel like she'd wear this. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if she has something like this already or if I just think that she should have something like this. And then I'm also giving her this, which is from Urban Outfitters. It is this like black sequin swing dress that I think would look really cute on her. So yeah, that is what I'm giving to my friends for Christmas this year. I'm gonna wrap this up, and if you want to see their reactions to it or you want to see these pieces on them, let me know and I'll see if I can film that for you. Yeah, I think that this was like fun. Like, there's no way that I would be able to give my friends this much new clothing, like that I bought for them. But I think that this all like works for them and it's new to them. And a lot of these things they haven't even worn anyway. So it was like really fun to do. So if you and your friends want to do something like this for Christmas, like, I think it'd be pretty cool. Let me know in the comments if you end up doing it. I don't know. I enjoy it. I think that this was a really great idea, and maybe we will do it more often because I do these like closet clear outs quite frequently. And I don't know. It's kind of, it reminds me of like the idea of the like depop like bundles, you know, like depop like mystery bundles where they like style something for you. That's what this felt like to me, and it was really fun to do. So you could style a bundle for your friends for Christmas. Could be fun. That is all, or Hanukkah, whatever you celebrate. I apologize. But that is all. Don't forget to like it, subscribe it, share it, bop it, twist it, pass it, and don't ask questions, just go with it.